Have you ever wondered if everything around you is real? Or could it all be a simulation? Today we're diving deep into one of the most mind-bending theories out there, simulation theory. Welcome to a journey of thought and wonder. Today we're exploring a question that's puzzled scientists, philosophers, and even tech moguls. Is our reality actually a simulation? Stick around because this rabbit hole goes deep. Simulation theory suggests that everything we experience, the world, the people, even you and me, could be part of a highly advanced computer program. Imagine living inside a super complex version of The Sims or The Matrix. Sound crazy? Maybe. But this theory has some pretty smart people behind it. So, how did this idea start? In 2003, a philosopher proposed the idea that if advanced civilizations have the ability to simulate entire universes, there's a high probability that we're living in one of those simulations. It's kind of like the ultimate video game. Now, before we dismiss this as sci-fi, consider this. What if we were the AI in someone else's simulation? Could everything we know, the stars, the galaxies, even human history, be carefully crafted by some unknown beings? All right, so what evidence do we have that we might be living in a simulation? Let's break it down. First, glitches in reality. You've probably heard about weird occurrences like déjà vu or strange coincidences that make you wonder if the world has a glitch. Now, while these aren't proof, they make us think about the possibility of an underlying code. Next, we have advancements in technology. With AI getting more advanced and virtual reality becoming more immersive, it's not hard to imagine that one day we could create simulations indistinguishable from reality. In fact, we're already getting there. Think about how video games have evolved from pixelated dots to photorealistic graphics. And then there's the mathematics of our universe. Some physicists point out that the laws of physics can seem eerily like code, with patterns and constants that are incredibly precise. Could this be the framework of a simulated universe? Of course, not everyone buys into the simulation theory. Many argue that it's impossible to prove, and that the complexity of creating a simulated universe down to every atom would require an unimaginable amount of computing power. Some critics also say that just because we could simulate a universe in theory doesn't mean we are living in one. They argue that consciousness and the human experience are too complex to be reduced to a digital program. And then there's the existential question: if we're in a simulation, does it even matter? Would our lives be any different? Whether we believe in simulation theory or not, the discussion raises important questions about the nature of reality, technology, and even our purpose. Are we just code in a machine, or are we more than that? Maybe, just maybe, the point isn't whether we're in a simulation, but how we live within whatever reality we're in. No matter the answer, one thing's for sure: simulation theory makes us rethink everything we know, and that in itself is pretty mind-blowing. All right, guys, what do you think? Is simulation theory the truth, or just another wild concept? Let me know in the comments below. Are we living in a simulation, or are we free in the real world? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Until next time, stay curious, stay questioning, and keep exploring the world around you, whether it's real or not.